Hello everyone. Today I am going to walk you through how to find your PIN using the Nationwide mobile banking app. First, open the Nationwide app on your phone. Make sure you are using the official app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, log in. After you are logged in, look for the menu icon in the app. This may be in the top corner or bottom menu. Tap on that to open more options. Inside the menu, look for a section that relates to your cards, such as Cards, Manage Cards, or Card Services. Tap on that section. In the Card section, find the card for which you want to view the PIN. If you have more than one card, make sure you select the correct one. If you see an option like View PIN or PIN Services, tap it and follow the on-screen instructions. If the Direct View option is not available, you can request a PIN reminder through the app. To do this, open the Nationwide app and navigate to the Card section. Look for an option called PIN Reminder or something similar. Select Send PIN Reminder and follow the prompts. A new PIN will be posted to your registered address within 3 to 5 working days. Always keep your PIN secure and never share it with anyone. Thanks for watching.